he's only half stuffed.
Oh, right.
Kind of headless.
Headless.
Okay. Calendars? We've had a very busy day.
Yeah.
I've had a busy day.
I've had a busy day.
You've had a busy day.
Yeah.
We've all had a very busy day.
I've been outside all day. I'm freezing.
Yeah, that's why I know we're only down here for a minute, but I put the heater on
Yeah.
just in case.
I'm so cold. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah. Anyway, ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
What's that?
It's my memory card reader for my computer. Put the memory card in there and it reads everything that's on there.
Oh, right.
Clever.
That's how I get my stuff from there to there. Right, day 13. You're going to be like 5 gins behind. We're going out for dinner this evening.
Yeah, I know. They keep taking me out. It's lovely.
Is it upside down again?
Yeah. Indian craft gin. Jaisalmer.
Very nice. Apparently the Tobermory is actually Canadian.
Oh, is it?
Apparently, yeah.
I had that
Did I
one
get that
last
right? I
night
think it's-
because I thought it looked nice and it was very nice.
This is good. This is good. Right. My turn.
Your turn. None today.
13.
Yay!
Oh,
Lucky for
Oh,
some.
that's a pin. That's a brooch. Or it's buttons. You default to buttons. And again,
Do you need any help?
there is no.
Want you to break your nose?
Oh, Elena.
Can I help?
I don't know. Can you? Can you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, that's
blimey.
lucky. It started.
Scissors.
We can fight our way into a present.
Well, I don't know.
Ta-da.
Ah.
I've got everything.
Oh, yeah.
They're mine, not yours.
They're yours. They're not.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
can't shout because the sewing scissors.
They're
are
g-
in
no,
there.
they're garden scissors.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
Dangerous, I should think, in your
Oh.
pocket. You'd be careful.
Oh, it is buttons.
Ah!
Ooh.
You are clever. You know how to use the scissors.
Yeah, scissors.
Scissors! Operation button. Oh, look, he's got other things.
It's got like
Secateurs.
Ooh, there's baby ones.
No, these are fantastic. You
And they're
put a
lovely.
finger on there like that.
Oh wow.
That operates
gave
in
you
your
them?
palm. I bought them
Oh, you bought them?
years ago.
Oh.
And you just,
They're
they're for close work.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I
They're
like,
pretty.
I like them.
Yeah. They might be good for a cardigan.
Yeah, they would.
A papa cardigan.
Yep,
Oh, they'd definitely be good for a papa cardigan, wouldn't they?
yep.
I like those.
You must get your pattern.
I like
Yeah.
those. Yeah, well, I haven't had a chance to sit down with him yet, Mum. I love the fact that we're meant to be doing all these things and there are only 24 hours in a day. You have
Yeah.
as bad a habit as I do.
Right, well, before, before we open it, you've got to cut those out
Green ones.
along the pink lines. So some are horizontal and some are vertical, okay?
Oh, yes, I see.
Green scissors.
Green scissors.
So I'm cutting along the...
The pink lines.
There aren't pink lines.
Right, so carefully cut along the dotted lines
Thank you.
depicted on the calendar page.
Come back then.
Yep.
Don't see it.
Really?
Yeah, and she wanders off. So I've done it correctly.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, do we need to open the door now?
Yep,
Hang on. Right, so...
because
Hang on. Right, okay.
13, isn't it? Where is it? Up
Up
here.
in the corner.
Now, apparently there's a raffle ticket on the floor.
Oh,
Yes, somebody carelessly
carelessly.
code from back to front
Okay.
is what it says on there.
It does indeed.
Christmas lottery, your lucky number.
Oh, it is a lottery. Yeah. Okay, and then
Okay, the number's on here. It's a
This
very
is-
long number.
all the things that we had to do, and then
So O,
look on the
Side at the...
barcode.
here.
Oh,
Oh, look, there's a number in it.
Ah.
And it looks
Oh,
like
it is.
958.
Oh, that's so clever.
Is that what you make out? Do you make it 958?
I do.
Yes.
But the note, no.
Oh,
the note
the
inside,
said what order?
from
Yeah.
back to front, doesn't it?
From back to front, so,
So it's
859.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So that's not needed.
No.
859.
Yeah.
Which means we're going down 1, across 1, down 1, and it should be square.
It is.
Yes, lovely.
So let's write
did that do
14.
anything?
Let's write
Yeah,
14
look,
on here.
That gave us
That
the code.
said, look at the barcode.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to throw any of it away,
Isn't
just
it
in
clever?
case.
Yeah, no, because you might need it again.
They're usually pretty good at telling you to keep things, but just in case.
That was a good one.
I liked that one.
was amazing, yeah.
Right, so it's going to be really short and sweet today. We are heading out for book club Christmas dinner and WI
We are?
Christmas dinner combined in the same place, and just
I'm
I'm eating one of them, Mum's eating the other. We have got the Christmas tree down and put it up and left the cats unsupervised.
Teeny tiny Christmas tree.
My teeny tiny pencil Christmas tree that's not 6 foot tall, even though it says it is. It's my height.
Yeah.
So that has been left up unattended with the cats all day, and they haven't killed it. So that's a good start.
No.
We haven't dressed it
We
yet.
haven't. Yeah.
no.
We need to go and get some
No.
more lights, which we're going to go do tomorrow at Busy Bees.
Yeah.
So I will take you with me for that. But I am going to say goodnight now. In fact, I'm going to show you a little bit of a kitten update. It is. I'm not sure you throw this all the way through. Back it up. Back it up. We did have a slight setback. Chi was under the quilt and moved. Izzy thought it was a fabulous game and pounced, and she was unimpressed. So Chi has come out from under the quilt and, yeah, she is ignoring Izzy's existence. And a meal update. And now we're going to say goodbye. So you get to say goodbye to these guys at the same time. So we'll see you all tomorrow for more. Bye.
Shave and shower.